lagging?
Yeah, I don't know what happened to the screen, but why does it show waiting for IVC connection from the laptop?
Yes, now it's okay. Yeah.
Now I can see.
And Zamana, yes.
Yes.
Miss
Good morning.
Yes, Baba.
Good morning, dear parents. Welcome back. Now, we have more presentations prepared for you. Now, from roll number 7 to 12, we'll present. Ishayat, as you're the first one and your roll number 9, you may take the stage now.
Yes, I welcome Isha to present now.
Thank you. Good morning, dear teachers, friends, and parents. Hope you are having a good and nice day. I am Ishat Iftikhar from grade 4C. Today I am going to present my STEM project and I am going to emphasize on mathematics. Under my STEM project, I have designed an urban area. It is huge and I have a lot to talk about mathematics throughout my urban area presentation. I have designed my project in different sections, which are housing area, restaurant area, fire department area, park, zoo, and dewar. So first, let's start off with the housing area. The housing area has 5 buildings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 buildings. The buildings are made out of square and rectangular 3D shapes. 3D shapes. The total housing area is 36,000 square meters. 180 meters is length and 200 meters is width. The housing area is rectangular in shape. Let's move on to the restaurant and cafeteria area. I have placed the restaurant and cafeteria right beside the housing area because then people can walk from their homes to the restaurant easily and enjoy food. The restaurant area is square in shape. See, it's square. The restaurant area is 40,000 square meters. 200 meters is length and 200 meters is width. There is a rectangular shaped building with a triangle sign of cafe. There are also 2 parking signs in front of restaurants, in front of the restaurant and cafeteria so that people can park their car. Now, let's move on to the fire department area. The fire department area has 4 vehicles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vehicles. The fire department area has 1 sign and 2 barriers. The fire department area is 18,000 square meters. 150 meters is length and 120 meters is width. The fire department area is square. Now let's move on to the zoo. This is the zoo. The zoo is situated opposite of the road. The zoo has 1 big tree and 4 animals. The zoo is in a heptagonal shape. The zoo is about 38,000 square meters, as you can see. Now let's move on to the park, which is right beside the zoo area. The park has 2 big trees. The park is in a hexagonal shape. About 40,000 square meters. There is also some free space beside the
Miss Ishayat is stuck.
maybe he's having some connection problem. That's all about my mathematical presentation through an urban area design. Hope you all enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Thank you all.
Alicia, your presentation was really great. It demonstrated most of the concepts of mathematics. Now, Jumana, who is role 10, will present.
Good morning. Good morning, dear friends, teachers, and parents. My name is Jumana, and today I'll be sharing my science project with you guys. For this STEM week, I have made snow fluff. The ingredients I needed to make this is food coloring, corn flour, shaving cream, one big bowl and a spoon, and 1 cup for measurement. So now you might wonder, how did I make it by mixing these all? Well, you see, first I had to grab 1 cup of corn flour and put it in the big bowl. After that, I grabbed the similar measurement of shaving cream and put it in the big bowl and then mixed it. Finally, I put 5 to 10 drops of food coloring. Food coloring is totally optional. If you want, you can put it, and if you don't want, that's totally fine, and you can put any color you like. After that, it's ready. So now you might be wondering, what were the reactions, or how did this exactly function or happen? Well, you see, shaving cream is made of tiny, tiny bubbles. So when we mix it with the corn flour, it makes the particles of the corn flours float, which makes it really, really moldable, really fluffy, really doughish, and everything you see in a snow fluff. So now you might think that this is just an experiment. How will this help me in real life? Well, the thing is that you can actually, this can help you in real life, as if you want to throw a party, or if your kids are bored in the lockdown, you can make this for them easily, and this is you can make this with really less products and products that you can find around your house. This is also really constructive and really less messy. It doesn't get anywhere. Plus, as we know that Bangladesh isn't really a snow country, so this will be a great experiment for both you and your kids. The end. Thank you.
Well, now our next participant is Muhammad Afif Hussain. Where is Afif Hussain?
Sure.
Yes, start Afif Hussain.
Afif Hussein isn't
Hello
here.
there, friends, teachers, and parents. My name is Mohammad Afif Hussain, and I in my STEM week I chose engineering and technology. So I was hoping to build a seed spreader tractor which can actually automatically uh, uh, automatically can move while it can spread seeds, but my mechanism didn't work because it was a bit technical. So it is just a demo of how will it be on real life. Now it can really help Mother Nature by its performance, because if it can automatically ride while it can spread seeds, and it can help it can help the fields to reform, and this idea came from my second unit, that was ecosystem, where I wrote a bit of an action in the action part, that we can make, if we can invent so many stuffs, why can't we invent a thing which can save the nature? So I was thinking of making this, and I wrote down that, and now I thought in the STEM week I can show at least a demo of it. So what it does is, what it does is at the bottom, so inside there will be, now there will be a I put a fan. Now it didn't work, it broke, so it can the seeds cannot spread. So that was the only problem I faced. So as I showed, as I told that it in real life it will be how will it work. Now, is there any questions from the parents?
think there is no
Well,
question.
well, that was a great presentation, Arif. I really
Wow,
liked
that was
this
a really
presentation.
informative presentation. Now, our friend Ayaz will share his presentation as his roll number 12.
Good morning, dear friends and teachers. My name is Ayaz. Today, I'm gonna present what I did in the STEM week. So let's start. I made this boat. It is made out of motor, battery, and fan. It helps us to it helps us because these travel fast and these batteries are also rechargeable, so we don't have to spend extra money to get fuel. Now I'm going to show you how this boat works. As you can see, this is my boat. This board is also reusable because you get this if you for example, if you buy this boat, then you can charge these batteries. Thank you. This was my presentation.
Wow, that was a great presentation, Ayaz. Now, does any of the parents have any question for our presentators today?
I don't think so.
I guess there is no question.
Thank you very much. All the presentations were very well thought, and it was very informative. So thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, Afif and Zumana, are you there?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
sure thing.
Yeah.
We're actually not done yet. We want to share some fun facts with you guys as well about science. I will be sharing a video now.
Share device audio.
We can't hear the sound. Zumana, allow the sound.
Optimal share screen.
Zumana, the parents cannot hear. If you restart the share screen.
Please, can you hear or you cannot hear?
No,
We
Baba.
cannot. We cannot.
Wait, miss, I'm sharing computers sounds. Okay, miss, I will share to 4 to 5
Share
minutes.
his device audio.
Miss, can you hear now?
Anyway, until astronomer
Miss, can you
Edwin
hear
Hubble
now?
Yeah.
Yes. Clear.
discovered that the astronomical feature known as Andromeda, a fuzzy spot in the night sky, was actually an entire other galaxy. Overnight, the size of the universe was effectively doubled. 49. Hubble made his discovery from the Hooker telescope, built atop a mountain in California. It was the first mountaintop telescope in the world and at the time, an incredible feat of engineering. 48. To measure the distance between galaxies in space, astronomers use Cepheids, or stars that periodically dim and brighten. Henrietta Leavitt discovered that by monitoring the time it took these stars to dim and brighten, you could calculate how far away they were. 47. Leavitt's discovery of how to calculate the distance based on the cycling of Cepheid stars allowed Hubble to prove that Andromeda was located outside the Milky Way and was thus its own galaxy. 46. Hubble scanned Andromeda for nights on end looking for Cepheid stars until finally discovering one in October 1923. After monitoring it for a week, he used Leavitt's formula and discovered it was indeed located outside the Milky Way. 45. In 2011, the Hubble Space Telescope captured a picture of that star, called the Variable Number 1 or V1. It has been called the most important star in the history of cosmology. 44. Of all the planets in our solar system, only Mercury and Venus don't have moons. 43. The hottest planet in our solar system is not Mercury, as most would assume, but Venus.
Okay, you're done, Sumana?
Yes, miss. Yes, miss. Now Afif will say the.
Afif, do you have any fun facts to share with us?
Miss, no, he will end the. If anyone else has any fun facts, but he will end it.
I have a short video to share with you that is really interesting. Would you like to watch it?
Sure, why not?
Okay, my dear.
Sure.
Can you hear the sound? It's coming.
Yes, miss, we can.
Yes, miss. Very small projects that is really funny. Do you know why it's happening?
Miss statical electricity.
Yeah.
The static electricity of the small plate is pushing against the big plate, and the small plate is getting thrown into the air because it has less mass.
These are very, very small experiments, but really interesting. And you need nothing, just a home appliance, home things.
The Harry Potter thing.
Very
Wingardium Leviosa.
small experiments, very, very easy. Actually, we cannot say these experiments, but it's really interesting, amazing, and very much thought-provoking, I hope.
Defies belief.
Jumana and Afif, you may continue.
Wow, those
Videos were so awesome. Well, the projects you saw were results of our hard work during the whole week. Hope you enjoyed, and next time we would come with better presentations. Goodbye.
And from the teacher's side, both of the teachers, we are requesting all the parents to participate or join any other slots, because it's an open house invitation. You can watch any slot, any presentation you like. And thanks for coming and joining us. Jumana.
Miss Afif said. Thank you. Miss Afif already said.
Okay. So our next slot is at right after this slot, right?
Miss, yeah,
Yes.
10 minutes later.
Yes.
No,
10
can
minutes
you give
later.
the roll numbers? Can you give the roll numbers in the chat?
Yeah, from
13 to
number
18.
13 to 18. And the names
my webcam
right
is
now. Zarif,
Yes.
Ayanuddollah, Muhtadi, and Nurain Karim. Oh no, two more, Nuaima and Parisa.
Why was she sleeping?
From roll number 12 to roll number 18. Sorry, 13 to 18.
I'm ready.
So how about the rest of the people? Are you ready?
It's more
What do you think?
or less.
How is it
More
going
or
on?
less.
How is it going on?
Yes.
I think it is great.
Nothing much will happen.
You are doing tremendous job. All of you are doing tremendous job. It's wonderful.
Yes,
Miss,
Miss,
but
but the problem
is
is
getting
Miss,
messed
the
up.
parents actually don't really ask any questions to us.
No, I
So
was
is there any
like,
parents?
I was waiting
parents
for.
Miss, when it is time for parents to leave, they don't want to leave. They want to stay here. I mean, like that. Like the
They
presentation
also
has
don't
ended.
ask us any questions.
Parents are
Stay quiet.
Like
Habib's one was
weirdness.
broken. Somebody said Habib's one was broken, but I didn't find anything was broken there.
Okay.
Yeah, it was okay.
What was broken?
Your mic. What was
That was the quiz.
Is what my was broken?
No, not your one. Habib
Someone
was saying
said
project was
Side, nah.
Oh.
Miss Happy Wilson's one was a broken